Hey, y'all, it's time to stuff some cash envelopes. Let's jump right in. All right, you guys. So I went to the bank the other day. I took out $450 from my bank. But I was actually, I had to go to Walmart and I paid for something using my haircut money. And so there's going to be some less money here. It's about $30 less, it's about $420. I got $60 out per week for 5 weeks of groceries. I have $75 out for my summer groceries. And I have $25 out for preps. And then I'm going to show you something that I ran up on that is a surprise. All right, so $60 each for 5 weeks of groceries. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, when I go to the bank, I like to get exact denominations. That way, I'm not trying to make change week to week. I have exactly what I have in that envelope. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks. 1, 2, 3. That's $60 for 4 weeks. That's $60 for 5 weeks of groceries. So with that being said, I'm going to take my envelopes. I've got 4 weeks worth of envelopes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is hair care, so that's not one. But I'm going to stuff in, because there's 5 weeks, I'm going to put one in my wallet for this week. And then I'm going to stuff the rest of them. And I'm actually going to put week 1 in the back, and that's actually going to be week 5 because I don't have a 5th week envelope. But I know that week 1 I've already spent because I'll spend it today when I go for groceries. So that's 2, 3, 4, and then I'm going to put that for 5. So that's going to be for my groceries for the month. The next thing I have, this $60 is going to go in my wallet. That's for today for groceries. This is my Rachel Cruz wallet that I got at Christmas last year. I really wanted it. And one of you lovelies sent it to me. So I'm going to put that in my wallet. Now, I have $75 for grocery preps. No, I have $75 for summer groceries. 20, 40, 60, 75. So that's what I have for summer groceries. And then $24, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got $24 for preps. And then $20 for Jackson's haircut. Because $30 I ended up spending at Walmart for a video I needed to do. So I just went ahead and used that, my hair money. It's totally fine because I'm going to show you how the Lord blessed us. So $24 is going into the grocery section for preps. $75 is going into the summer groceries. And then this $20 is going to go into my wallet behind Jackson's name for a haircut. So I'm going to put that back here for a haircut because he has to have a haircut. This is going into summer groceries. So here's my summer groceries. I should have $300, which is 4 weeks of groceries at $75 each. So I'm going to count 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 300. So that's $300, which is $75 a week for 4 weeks. So I'm not halfway there on my summer groceries, but I'm just about. December will put me at halfway, and then the rest of the remainder of the year, I'll do $75 each, and we will have $750 saved up for groceries. Now, let me show you what the Lord did for us, right? because I was looking in my, I was putting my cash envelopes back into here. And I just so happened to see, because I'm flipping through. Now, I'm real careful about my money. You know, I'm always making sure I have what I need for what I need it for. And I'm flipping through, and I'm flipping through, and I'm flipping through. And I come upon my lawn care envelope. And inside of my lawn care envelope, there's money. And I'm like, why is there money in there? Because I know that I had to pay for the trees. Well, what must have ended up happening is I didn't remember that I had money in the lawn care envelope, and I just went ahead and paid Mr. Jerome. It must have been out of my supplement money that was extra. I went ahead and paid for the trees. But I found $135 in this envelope. So that is $135 to the good that we did not have, that I don't need to pay for the trees. I just checked with Mr. Jerome to make sure I paid for the trees in full. He said I'm good. But what this does now is this actually frees up a little bit of money because gas is extra, right? And I have to drive a long way. So there's some extra gas money. Now I don't have to wait for or pull out the extra money for my for the pest control, right? Because there's some extra money here. I'm going to pay $35 for Alana's music lesson. So I don't have to pull that out of my money because I haven't gotten child support yet. So I was going to have to pull it out of my money up front. But now I can pay for the piano lesson. 20, 40, 60, 80. That still gives me $100. So 25 of that for the pest control bill. And then that still frees up a little bit of money. When I got my supplement, you know, I made sure everybody else was taken care of. I didn't do anything for mom. So now I can still get my hair cut if I want to get my hair cut. I can throw in a little bit of extra prep grocery money if I want to. It's just a way that when you start doing envelopes and making sure that you have what you need up front, the Lord always does that to us sometimes. He'll help us find an extra something somewhere that I didn't realize I had in there, thinking, you know, that I'd already paid Mr. Jerome. Well, lo and behold, there was money in my account, so I went ahead and just took it out of that. But here's the money to supplement for all of the things that I didn't realize were there. So this money is going to go to good use because we do have Christmas coming up. I'm still short a few gifts. I've got to pay for Alana's piano lesson. Let me just pull that money out and put it behind Alana for piano. And then maybe I want to get mom something because I very rarely, you know, do something for myself. But I still have a couple Christmas gifts to get. So I do have all my grocery money here. These are just, the only money that's in this one is just groceries for the next 4 weeks. And then, of course, this is summer groceries for the summer. So there it is, you guys. $420 that we allocated for, plus $135 surprise dollars that the Lord revealed to us, being in one of those envelopes I hadn't even checked. And all the bills are paid. So look at the Lord. I'm feeling good, living my best life. There it is. Just wanted to share that with you guys. If you like the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.